What is up, guys? It's Nick B here, and today we are trading live. It is October 14th. The count's at 5:12. Let's go, Poggy Walkie. Let's get right into this day. Look at all those trades we took as market starts loading up here. All right. So yes, this is yesterday. No, this looks weird. Count was at 440. That's where our count was. 512. Yep. Calculations are correct. I just realized volatility is super low. What in the world? What does yesterday's pre-market look like? This was yesterday's pre-market. I mean, look at that. That's insane. Up to 8:30. Now it's like, what happened? So today might be a whiff day. Usually when there's low volatility, it doesn't work out for us, but we'll give it our best try. We took some notes yesterday, and let's pull them up real quick. That's not correct. Okay, there it is. Plan A. 3 winning trades. That's it. Take 3 winning trades. And plan B, when goal is not reached within 6 trades, or within 3 trades, I should say. Take about 6 to 10 trades total. Normal strat. Determine what kind of day it is. If goal is not reached, if unreadable, go for break even. That's what we have for right now, at least. Yeah, because yesterday we got super lucky with the pattern recognition of the second entry not working out and stuff. But yeah, tips near market open. Do not be afraid to use the 950 chart. The Heiken-Ashi here. So I think that's what we're going to be doing, and market is open. Swing low first entry, and now it's gone. So usually on these days, people always try and go for the correction. But you can kind of see we mellowed out here. We went for this like range for the past like hour or so. So that could really change things up, hopefully in our favor. I gotta move my food. Kind of risky going for this. Let's go for a buy limit. Oh, or buy market. Minimize. I think people are just trying to go for the correction. It might have consolidated a little bit too much here, and people might be going for the uptrend. But here is a second entry, and we'll see how the market behaves with this. Nice, we hit our goal. Sweet. So we're gonna, not heavily, but almost heavily, use it more than usual, which is the 950 tick chart. We really want to be able to see where those bars look like they're going, because this can't give us too much information since the market's moving so fast. Also swing high first entry. Take a position here. Looks like it's gonna work its way up here. Looks like people see the weakness and the downside. I think we entered in the wrong spot too. We can go for the exit here. Ooh, NT. Or more minimization. Yep. Very nice. Let's also swing high first entry. I think overall trend's actually going to be down now. Push down 3 times. Actually, let's go for the buy limit order. Might get stepped down to 20% here. So could also be an uptrend, but I think it's still a downtrend. Could possibly enter it again. It's also swing off for a century. I think overall trend's still going to be down because it just keeps making those lower lows and market keeps pushing down, and I feel like people want to correct this entire thing, and rather compared to picking the bottom of this morning spike. I guess it looks more like consolidation. Swing off for a century. Yeah, showing weakness. Setup. Let's go for some minimization. Come on, you're so close. Oh, come on, buddy. Nice. Because so we bought there because it showed sign of weakness in the long direction in chart time. And once we get that push up, it was not a very good push up, which is why I think people saw this opportunity to go short, and which obviously did not work out, unless they're still in the trade and have their stops way out here, of course, and there's a good chance it works out for them. Good for them. Take your profits, everyone. So it looks like our strat is working today, so we're just gonna stick with the strat no matter how many times we get stopped out, unless we get stopped out 5 times in a row and we're like 80% sure to 100% sure that those trades should have worked out in our favor. Excuse me. Unless that changes, and yeah. So far we read it pretty correctly. We might have gotten lucky with this one, to be honest. Yeah, this first trade was 2 that took excuse me, swing high for a century. Okay, it's showing sign of weakness on the downside, especially if we start to correct here and we push up this high. I think that's going to be a nice sell. But now it's pushing down a lot further and it breaks down below there, and I don't think people are going to chase it, to be honest. We've consolidated a little bit too much, and if it shows too much sign of weakness, people are actually, I think, going to go long here. So you can see there. Maybe. There it is. The only thing is that we might be trapped with the people who went short there. There's a good chance we got trapped. Yeah, with the people who went short, because we have our stops exactly where they went short. And they already got their scalps, most likely. So hopefully they're all scalping out right here. That's the only thing we can really hope for. I might come all the way back up here before it breaks down lower. Because the people who went short there have their stops up here, which is right here. And it might be coming for their stops, essentially. And we might have been trapped with them. We'll minimize if we can, but doesn't look like we'll have the opportunity to. Should show signs of an uptrend here. Hopefully everybody's going long here. May not be the case though. Come on. No. NT. So it looks like it was a downtrend to that huge bar. It looks like people just started chasing it. And we could kind of see that because it consolidated here for a while and it pushed down, and maybe people just started chasing that thing. I think this one was just one layer too deep. It might have been the fact that we broke below there and people we're more worried about correcting this entire thing instead. That we're 20%. Showing a lot of strength in the upside. Might be a little bit too early here though. A lot of strength on the upside. Yeah, this might be a potential 20%er here. But we'll just stick with this. Just in case if it takes off, because very often we... Oh gosh. NT. Swing high. This will be a first entry, hopefully, if it doesn't decide to keep on pushing up. That hurts. Maybe we could try one more time on a swing high first entry. Okay, looks like everybody went short there as well. Swing high first entry. Could possibly take it. Looks like overall trend should be up. But a triple topped here too as well. Maybe people are going to try and go for the correction of the spike. Maybe downtrend. Yeah, could be a downtrend here. Okay. Wow. Looks like people went short and had their stops right up here. Swing high first entry. Push down. Well, trend could potentially be down. Actually, it's showing good signs of an uptrend here. Hopefully we're not going too layer of a deep. People might be going for this spike correction, but we spiked up really hard here. It's also swing low first entry. Probably add another order here too. Yeah, I think this is okay. Should be correct. Wow, we're not correct. We don't know what the fuck we're doing. Okay, well, I guess that was a downtrend. People weren't trying to go for the correction there. We might be going for the correction here. Go for a one tick buy. Looks like most second entries actually worked out. And let's go for the buy. Or maybe, yeah, let's go for the sell. And minimize. I think that might have been a significant high, which is why I think people were trying to go long. Kind of the same exact thing that happened down here, is that people tried to trade back to this direction. So let's see if we can get the scalp if we're correct. It looks like breakout traders are the ones who are really trying to be successful here in today. Alright, now people could potentially be going for the correction here, but we did break out of there. I think breakout traders, but I don't want to get trapped again. Looks like people might be going short. Let's just go off based off of behavior of today, which was people are going to go for this spike correction, and there's going to be a lot of breakout traders as well. Wow. That like flickered really hard. So I think people might be going for the spike correction. How consistent is that actually though? And the positions where we thought we were right, we were actually just trapped. And that's what I'm thinking is happening here, is that people might be trapped in the highs of here. Which is also why we're going for the buy. Man, our scalps look massive, but these bars look massive. Why do our scalps look so big? It's insane. I think we're even on win-loss ratio, right? Have I been recording backwards? Might have been. Might have leaned a little bit too much to the idea that people were correcting here, which is going to lead to this step out here. Yeah, too much. Joking. Swing off first century. I don't want to join the people getting stopped out. We were correct here, it was just a 20%er. And there's the breakout. And I think this might be an uptrend now. Or people might be going for the correction here, actually. Let's go for a one tick buy. We haven't done one of those in a while. And usually on spikes, that's what will usually happen. I think people are going to continuously try and correct spikes today. That's the vibe I'm getting, especially with these previous ones. But maybe it's not so true because it didn't bounce up as quick as I thought it would have. People did end up getting stopped out here who entered on a bar similar to this. So this could actually be an uptrend. Or I mean, yeah, an uptrend. Well, let's see. I think we'll just minimize to where our entry was. Should we? Yeah, we'll chill. We'll chill. I mean, did get pretty close, so might as well minimize. Or even trail. What's the chances of it continuously going up here? Take a little profit. Okay, I'll take it. Will people go for the correction? I think so. Will we be too early? I think so. Maybe not. We're gonna do a buy limit because we're not super duper desperate to get this trade. Or we can just also do buy market. I want to get the best possible entry here. Okay, triggered. Let's go for extreme minimization. It's 1.5. Just in case we're wrong. I think people think it's gonna correct here, but it's not. Like, do a little two-legged move, it's not. It's just gonna keep pushing up. The reason being is because people just love correcting spikes for some reason all day, like picking tops. Which is why I think this might actually push up pretty decently. Good minimization nonetheless. I'm okay if we get stopped out here. Took it as a double top first entry now. And then we could probably just keep buying this thing, I think, because people are gonna just continuously try and correct, it seems like. Especially since it's pushing up here, that shows a lot of sign that people are trying to go for the sell here. At least I think it is. Yeah, you see all those sell orders coming in? What is this? What is this? See that? Even behind my head, you don't see any green there. You. Good minimization nonetheless. Here comes my Thanos impression. I actually have a decent Thanos impression. Don't feel like doing it right now. I think we're actually down 2 trades. So after this we could possibly take another one. Even though it might be close to our goal. May not even get this trade, to be honest, because once it breaks here, people are going to start buying and buying and buying. Okay. Alright, we'll take one more to make up for fees and stuff like that. Actually, no, we're going to call this a short. Hit our goal technically. I think after tax and fees, down pretty bad. If we're down more than $10, then we got to keep going. Maybe. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, that's definitely more than I suspected. That's $20 down. What? Yeah, we're only up. That's only 2 trades up. Let's do one more. So something that we could suspect to happen from a psychology standpoint is that we have a ton of traders who just lost a lot of money, which is statistically 90%. And it's due to the fact that they keep shorting this thing, which is essentially picking the top of this market. So what's going to happen is we're going to get a nice final pullback where they finally get the profit, and it's going to do a nice push. And they would have picked that top, and it just keeps pushing up. I think this is finally it. Opportunity, and yeah, it's just something I was just thinking about. Had absolutely nothing to do with anything. And so the amount of money that they lost, they want to make up for it by, so that's the reason now I was thinking about it, because they're down like, let's say, whatever amount, and they want to make up for that in one trade. So they're gonna try and hold on to the entire thing, hold on to this move, and yeah, they'll be trapped essentially. They want to go for as much profit as they can, so they're just gonna leave their stops up there. We can still very much get stopped out here. Also, should probably do a buy limit order. Because I don't know if we can make it up there. It might bounce around for a while and then push up there, which is why this might be bad, but we're going to go as much as minimization as possible here. They might rack up a good amount of profit, but won't take their profit because they're going to try and make up for a lot of it. That's which is basically what we do a lot when we have runners and stuff like that. But this trade may not work out here. It's going to bounce around a while in here. Probably just scalp out here. It doesn't reverse on them that quickly, I don't think. We could actually probably take some profit here. We'll go for a little bit more minimization. Because why not? It also has to set up a second entry, a nice clean one at least. Especially on the minute chart, you can see a nice clean second entry coming in here. So it should get stopped out here. Could potentially leave our low at the very low here. There's a good chance it might consolidate. Or not. Oh yeah. Or not. Oh yeah. Or not. But one thing is for sure is that those guys are holding on to the position up there. There. I have their stops way up there. Because now they need this like entire correction to make up for all their losses today. Here comes a step out. Said here comes a step out. And now. And now. Okay. And now. Actually, it's looking like a downtrend now, which is a good thing for our buy. Showing a lot of weakness on the upside. I'll take this as a swing high first entry, and we'll go for the next spot here on the next second entry. Should be stepping us out pretty soon, statistically speaking. So we should minimize here, maybe even more. Oh, and we'll go for it. Where is that other stop? Oh, it's down here. And here it comes, statistically speaking. There it is. Also swing high first entry. With that in mind, the fact that it's going to consolidate, I think a lot of people are going to go long here because the people who went short have their stops up here. They're not moving, so we don't worry about them because we're not going to get anywhere near that for a while. So we're going to go for this sell because it just looks like it's going to keep working its way up here. However, we did break below that low. And we know these breakout actually not breakout traders are not really doing much today. Still want to go for a sell though. Actually, they tried a couple times here, these breakout traders. So it could be a downtrend, but that means we would be buying here, and that would be wrong. And this is where it should start correcting. Somewhere here. Wait, technically swing high first entry. We're trading off of that psychology? That's insane. That is a downtrend. People could be going for the correction here. But who knows what people are doing nowadays? I don't know. Bada-bing, bada-boom. Good minimization. We should probably put our stop way up there. And I might do this, correct, then go up. So that's nuts. Oh wait, what? Huh? That's also a swing high first entry. We can take this again. Wow, we're losing out of our minds right now. I think that's definitely going to declare a downtrend here. Oh, maybe perhaps people are trying to go long still. Can't be. People have to be going for this. It is showing a lot of weakness. Let's just trade our strat right now. We're going kind of wild. Ever since we got the idea in our head. The idea could be very wrong. And so far it has been. We might be trapped with all the people who sold here though. Actually, no, I think we're right. But can we get into the trade? That's the real question. We leave our stop way the heck up here because we wanted to stop these guys first and then pull back a little bit. So we could come up to like right here a little bit and then start playing that direction. And we'll go ahead and correct our thing here. Okay, now we'll correct. Minimize, I mean. I was showing weakness on the downside, that's why we went. That's why I think it's an overall uptrend. Uh-oh. Might be a break-even day today, boys. Oh boy. It's not showing signs of weakness. It's showing a lot of strength in the upside right now. Oh boy. Which is actually a good thing for us, but a little bit too much strength actually. Maybe too much strength is good. No, it's a weird kind of strength. Like it's not correcting, which might lead to a lot of people selling. Okay, I think we can minimize now. Excuse me. Oh, we may not get this. Actually showing a lot of signs of an uptrend here, but just might be the fact that we are trapped with the people who just sold. And pushing down below that, yeah, there's going to be a lot of buying going on right now. It's showing a lot of potential for an upside here. Should we go for the big loss? That's only a point in like a half, dude. It's good minimization. Alright, swing low first entry. Could also go for the sell here. And we'll wait for the trigger, and then we'll just hopefully it'll pull back here, and then we can get the same exact entry here. I think we should. I have no idea where that other one was. It was one of these, right? Yeah, we should probably scalp out here. Because of what I was saying earlier, the people who went short and are just holding their positions. I don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, I didn't see where I put this one. One of these are in the wrong spot. Oh, we can figure it out. So... okay, so... actually, I have no idea where our entries were. Our original entry is 50, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. One of our exits should be this 12 down here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Other one should be down here at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This one. Is that too big? That looks massive. Do 12 point scalps? 2, 4, 6, 8? Or is it 12? Yeah, it's 12. Okay, this should be working out okay. It looks like it's just going to keep on pushing up here. We should be okay, hopefully. We get stopped out, whatever. But no, we should have minimized. Should have took profit. Damn it, dude. Swing low for a century. We'll go for the 1 tick buy here. Actually, it could have been a downtrend or an uptrend. Maybe it was a downtrend. I don't know. We're terrible. It's already showing signs of weakness. It's slowed down a lot. People could be going short here. And plus, we're kind of sticking to the idea of people going, yeah. There's a trigger. I feel like it's way too far. It's not going to come down here. Maybe it does. Alright, we're in the trade. I think it's happening to us what I thought was happening to them. But it's, yeah. NT. We tried today. We tried our best, and it looks like it just was not correct. But I think we'll still be able to hit our goal today, hopefully. We'll find some sort of way to do it. I just thought we would be finished in the first 3 trades, but so I think we have way more losers than we do winners, which is kind of crazy. And I'll have to think about, because we had great minimization, which is good. Bad trades. We've been on the wrong side a lot today. This is no exception. So yeah, it looks like our scalps are starting to become a little bit too big. But too big. A little water. Should we minimize? Let's not minimize. I think people are trying to correct this thing, which is why I think this is correct. Also, we have these people who are holding on to their stops up here, which is why I also think this buy is correct. Waiting for another swing high first entry, second entry here. Down just a little bit, not too much now. I think we can minimize. Hoorah! It's also swing low and potentially a new swing high. This buy was actually correct. A little bit too early on this guy. So selling is incorrect because of our statement. I don't know why we sold. If you just think about what the whole day has been showing, including the psychology of people holding on to the positions up here, that was an easy buy. Those should have been the easiest buys of your life. So I'm not too sure why we sold there. I know we stuck to the strat, but our strat is actually scuff trading, you know. We just run around psychology and try to figure it out. Live, essentially. Alright, swing off first entry, kinda. I think people are actually going for the correction here. Breakout trading. I think as long as our buy order is on this end and not on the swing high first on the second entry, I think we'll be okay, because if we don't want to join the people buying here on the high there. Okay, most definitely think it's down now, but can we get into the trade is the real question. Somebody's telling me that people are trying to go for the breakout trade here. Guess we'll see. Also swing high first entry. Could go for another buy right on top. I feel like that's way too much buying. Could possibly be incorrect here. Wow, looks like the people who were trying to correct are no longer trying to correct. Okay, I guess we were wrong. NT. Swing high first entry. Looks like those breakout trading. Should have went for that sell right there. That would have been a nice clean go. Alright, I think after that might have been it for the people who were trying to go short. Or trying to go for the correction, and now it's just a matter of everybody else. I think people are still gonna go long here. We should probably go short here somewhere. Maybe on a one ticker. I'm just waiting for us to get stopped out here. Like, there's actually no way for us to make it back to this high. It seems unrealistic. At least we have somewhere to put our stop. There's the trigger on that swing high first entry. If you're buying, that's where it would be. But honestly, I'd go for a sell. But we're just gonna ride this one out. You live, you learn. And that would be the trigger for the sell. I'll be surprised if these people are still trying to correct this thing. Could potentially go for that. So, let's go for it. It's showing signs of a downtrend here. I mean, come on, that was overall uptrend easily. Swing high first entry. Let's go for the second entry here. Not the cleanest, but swing high first entry. So that was a sell. Looks like breakout traders try to go long there, and then this one, people try to go long there. Looks like those people are gone now. So after that, overall trend is going to be up. Continuation, go for that sell. Swing high first entry. Could be an overall downtrend. I think that pushed down really hard, and people are going to go for this. Oh no. Empty. Looks like everybody's just going long now. No one's correcting this anymore. I thought for sure people were gonna correct that, but anyway, swing high first entry. Oh, you're joking. I think we just use our strat now. No more correcting up, no more correcting down. People are confused as we are. Nobody knows, and that's why we just go based off of the bar by bar now. I think that should be correct. Second entries no longer work again. Wait, wow, we didn't get stopped out. Wait, what just happened? I'm confused. Oh wait, no, that was our entry bar. It's also a swing low, double bottom first entry. Could take this one or the other one. Where's the S stop? The S stop. That's 2, 4, 6. And I guess we'll just leave everything where it is. It's also swing high first entry. We could possibly take that too. Go for a non-obvious sell. I think a lot of people are trying to continue this stay up. Maybe we're wrong. Perhaps. It's weird because this stop is where our next order would be. Unless we do a one ticker. We do a one ticker. Do it. Beep. Alright, 3 trades in. Watch me die inside. Live. Oh boy, oh boy. Sure, that would have been an uptrend, but looks like people are still trying to correct this thing. Looks like buy was correct. Just a 20%er. Looks like all these buys were correct. People are still trying to correct this thing. Going for the one tick buy here. And double bottom first entry, second entry. Non-obvious buying a double bottom first entry, second entry.
Yeah, let me get.
Should we do a runner? Alright, we have to think about ahead of time since candle bars are smaller now, and once the market starts to push up into a specific direction, you can find some resistance here. Basically pre-move. This entire thing. Should we just go for a break-even day? I think we're down really bad though. 26 trades in. Jesus. So we should only be going long, really. Oh, I forgot the one ticker. We should have done a one ticker. It's like the first opportunity to go long. Yeah, it's always incorrect. So we should just exit here. Unless this is it, you know. If we didn't do any sells, I think we would have been extremely profitable today. That one's okay. That one's okay. That one. That should have been buy. That should have been buy. These are not too bad. Just got stepped on by a little bit. But here we should have bought like crazy. So that's why we're just gonna keep on buying. So statistically speaking, we all should be buying. Always buy. Okay, okay, swing low. First entry. Just looking at the trade performance. 50% of our win rate were buys. Where is it? Long trades. Generate. Okay, 17 of them. 9 of them. 8 of them lost. 50% win rate. Should be perfectly okay for this day. We're gonna one ticker it because it doesn't really push down. Or maybe should we do non-obvious? Potentially could. No, it's moving kind of fast. We'll one ticker it. Just leave our stop way out there. Or maybe we'll non-obvious it. Yeah, there's not really any one ticker things. Actually, it might be a one ticker. Whoa, it like triggered us in real good. I mean, I guess that's a better setup. It was like... So now, I think we should probably go for a scalp because now we have a lot of people thinking this has potential to go short, but they all see it, but they all just know they want to go long. We should probably scalp this very high first entry and actually sell. Why did I do that? Let's just stick by here. We've been wrong. Very. But I feel like that's correct. I feel like when there's a lot of resistance, people are gonna actually go long anyway. And that's when it goes short. It actually goes shorter. Let's go for one ticker. Because people see this resistance and you want to trade against it so bad. I think we should be correct on that. Hello. I am. I leave at about 1:15, yeah. I am? Yes. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Kids have not yet. They just woke up like maybe 20-30 minutes ago. It's up to you. No, actually it's okay. They have their traditional breakfast here at the house. They don't really eat other stuff. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, okay. Okay. 10:53. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Alright, bye, ma. I think we're... Oh, was I on the call the entire time? But we're just gonna keep buying, because what the heck, you know, statistically speaking. It's a scuffed trading strategy for a reason. And we'll try to get back into the other one. Not, that's okay. Could there be people picking tops here? Yeah, because once they got stopped out after this one, pushed up, and now they're picking the top here. Have their stop maybe way up here somewhere. Should we trail? Should probably trail. Ta-da-boom. I'd rather break even than not hit our goal today. But, man. Swing eye first entry. The cleanest setup yet.